Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 10 of Film Theory. I know that it seems like it's been a very long haul this semester. We're closing in on the end of it, but I want to give you all an update and just kind of run down where we should be this week. Okay, so we have two readings on sound theory. The first one is much more theoretical. It's by Michel Chion, a Frenchman, who is very, very smart. There's one chapter, I've linked kind of to the entire book, but there's one chapter, pages 66 through 94, called The Audiovisual Scene, that I would like you to read through and just do your best with. After that, I do have posted some notes on kind of Michel Chion's concept of what audio vision is, so it can help break down some of the key concepts in that chapter that you might be wrestling with. And you should be familiar with Chion moving forward for our class on Thursday. And then our kind of big piece this week is seeing that theory really in practice. Kaja Silverman is going to talk about, in her book chapter, Body Talk, which is pages 42 to 71 in the linked book, about kind of the female voice in cinema. And it's taking feminist theory, which we kind of covered last week, and applying it to, soundtrack work. So it's a good example of somebody not necessarily using Chion's terms, because he's writing, a little bit around the time that Kaja Silverman is starting to put together this argument, and so they're not quite aware of one another. But it's good to see it in practice, like how do you do this, and then you can adopt and use Chion's words if you're writing about sound in your own papers. You do have a movie this week. It's Singin' in the Rain. It's excellent. It's a lot of fun. If you've never seen it, I think you'll enjoy it. And then we have our Zoom session, as always, 9:30 on Thursday. Highly recommend as many of you as possible showing up this week to really kind of talk through a few things, because one thing I want to cover on that Zoom session is a little more of like developing our ideas toward the proposal. We do not have a discussion post this week. If you look on content, I've kind of got it down there. This is what you need to do. Conduct some research for your final papers. Okay, you have to have sources, but primarily you need to know what movie you're watching. So I would start there. Select a movie you're interested in, you think you have something to say about, and watch it. And then watch it and take notes about it. Okay, think about what you want to say about the film. How do you make your argument? Do any theories we've studied so far, or do any that are coming up potentially look like they can help you make your case, right? Can they help you argue your point? So just do that work, okay? You have to do it on your own either way, so you might as well take some of the time where we don't have a written assignment this week and try to do as much as possible. That is it. I'll see you all on Thursday. Take care of yourselves.